Hello and welcome to another video by Wixland Lowstar X. Wait a minute. Yeah, there. So my voice can be heard. Yeah, I heard my videos. I watched it and my voice sounded like I have a sore throat. Even though I did have a small sore throat, it's still not an excuse. So yeah, gonna play Super Mario World in this video. Should start a new save. First player, yeah. Wow, okay, I don't care. Oh damn it. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh yeah, my other save. I should just continue since this is just a test video. Though I consider making this a next let's play since I didn't think doing Yoshi's World was another. Yeah, I'm kinda lagging. Computer's bad. Get it, get it, get it, yeah. For the points. If you're wondering why I'm like this, I just took my nap. So yeah, I'm kinda grouchy. Oh god damn it! I didn't want a mushroom. Give back my feather. Oh, it's horrible. Sorry about that. Oh god damn you. Get the mushroom, Mario. Okay, this is mine, Finally. Didn't want a mushroom. Oops, doodles. Didn't know about that. Sorry, I'm just a noob in Mario now. I forgot how to play this game since I know this was made when I was a child. Yeah, I kinda explained that in the last video. Okay, need to hurry up. I don't want to lose points. What the hell? Jump. I want a fighter. Oh god damn it. God damn me in my jumping. I want another one. Give me another one. Fuck it. Try and catch me now. Okay, I need to speak up, so I just feel my voice disappearing from now. Okay, what the hell do I do here? The hell? Wow, that sucks. Wow, oh. What the hell is Mario? Mario! Oh, there you are. Up, just walking the wall. No, 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 no. Bad Mario. I want this coins. Okay, okay, okay. Need to do it fast. God damn. Okay, better do it now, because my time is running out. Up. Mine. Give it. No. God damn it. I need Yoshi. Okay, 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 okay. Ah, god damn it. Wow, I don't know how they do that. And 37 seconds to go. Well, this was a nice run for my test video. So this is Lone Star X. I'll see you next time when I post maybe my next let's play or another test video. I don't know, but I'll see you then.